Hello, it's Rich Rosen, founder and CEO of Fastcall, and I'm going to talk for a few minutes about our SMS capabilities inside the application. It is October 2017. This is our version 4.4, which is available in the Salesforce App Exchange. So I'm logged in. I happen to be in Lightning Sales Console. When I do these demos, I just pick the interface of where I happen to be working at that time, and here I have Lightning. The OpenCTI phone will always be in the lower left footer, and Lightning will always be in the lower right footer in our middle interface console, but not Lightning. And in Classic, of course, the phone is in the sidebar in Classic. In terms of SMS, doesn't make a difference. So I'm here on a record. This is I don't know, I'm on the lead, and I'm going to click on a mobile phone number here. So I'm going to click the mobile phone here. You'll see inside the widget, I am in SMS mode here. This is phone, this is SMS, and I'll show you in a few minutes how this is enabled. And then these are my text messages here. So I'm going to send a message to myself, my mobile phone, and I'm going to say, hi, how are you? And I'm going to send that. And that SMS is received by my mobile phone, and I'm going to say, oh, I am good, thanks. And I'll send that back. Now, and you'll see that that'll come back in a second. Now, inbound SMS, we give you a couple different options, which we have under settings, under user settings. I'm going to click out of here. So in my user settings, I have the option to forward my SMS here for the user to my email. And then inbound SMS is received in my email. Or I can forward my inbound SMS to my mobile phone. Now, one thing to note is if you're forwarding an SMS to a mobile phone and you respond back from that mobile phone, then that conversation's on the mobile phone. But we do give both options here under inbound settings. And I also want to show you in the settings, since we happen to be here, on the phone number itself, you will see right now we are only able, of course, to SMS, send a message on a provisioned phone number. That's provisioned in our application, which we talk about on another page, another video. And the scope is user. We don't yet support SMS on a group phone number, but we will. So I have phone numbers that are here that are assigned to a single user. Let's just pick up this one, and we'll see SMS is not enabled on this phone. So I cannot use this phone for SMS. If I enable that, I will be able to. Just to look at another phone number, user phone, that's group, that group. And we see here also SMS is not enabled. Boy, I have a lot of luck today, don't I? Well, that's my own number. So the SMS is enabled here. So that's the number that I was just using. So the first thing we're going to see is that the SMS does need to be enabled when the phone is set up. The option to forward that SMS to the user's email or a mobile phone is optional. Something that we just recently added are templates. So you have SMS templates, which are added here. I can come over here. I give the template a name. See you on our call soon. And I'm going to assign this to a user. And this could be look forward to our call on go to meeting. And I could add the URL for the go to meeting. But I create this template. Template is now created. So now I have two templates I've created for SMS. And if I pop back over here to the record, and never quite sure, but I'll refresh the page just to do it. And we're going to come back over here, back to this record, and I'll send another SMS. So there we are. So now if you notice here, it says insert templates. I now have two. See you in our call on GoToMeeting, and if I wanted to just say at 3 o'clock. So there it is. So I typed message, but I also had a template here for something I don't need to repeat send. Boom. So templates are cool. There you go. The message was received. And I did mention before, so this was the message we sent a minute ago. Good, how are you? And that was response back. I am good, thanks. So you'll notice that the response that came back, I am good, thanks, had to look up to the lead here, as we sort of also do with phones, the phone number that we texted, the date, the time, and then the task that was created. Let's take a look at that. What I love about consoles, it just pops open a new window here and nothing changes. Console is so awesome. So here was the task that we created. The subject just says fast call SMS, the date, the time, the notes. So the body of the SMS itself is going to be in your notes. So I'm good, thanks. What we're not doing yet is threading the conversation into one task. So we are creating a task for each message that goes back and forth. But we are working on threading these messages. We are also working on some bulk SMS, which we're not doing now. We'll be working on some group SMS, so an inbound message can be received by a group. Right now, we're only supporting users, and we're also going to be working on triggered SMS, so that an SMS can be triggered from an event in Salesforce, which will be totally cool. So we'll start working on those early next year. So I'm hoping that for Q1 of 2018 we'll have those. But SMS is awesome. It's awesome even if you're not sending a lot of messages. You don't expect to send a lot of message. We think that it's really helpful to be able to receive a message to a provisioned phone number. So that is SMS. If you have any additional questions, shoot us an email, support@fastcall.com, or send us a text. 323-799-4777 is my personal inbound number. Otherwise, thank you for watching the video, and we will see you soon.